The transistor outline package family consists of many types of packaging solutions for transistors, and similar discrete devices, as well as simple ICs but with low pin counts. TO stands for transistor outline. The structures of TO packages varies widely, from expensive metal can enclosures to low-cost, plastic molded bodies. A huge variety of through-hole transistor packages exists, that truly depends on power rating and typical application of transistors to be used. In this informative tutorial, we will discuss all the common types of TO packages used in the electronics industry. So watch video till end and get learned about transistor packages and types. Start this informative tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel to have access to best learning tutorial. Also comment, like, and share. Transistor packages are the styles of case used to house transistor components, providing the connection between the die and the external circuit, as well as protection for the delicate semiconductor circuit. The package style actually defines how the transistor will be mounted or soldered to the actual circuit. A huge variety of through-hole transistors packages is used in different applications of electronics design. Here we will discuss some of the more common through-hole transistor packages. The TO3 is a type of metal can package that is capable of high power dissipation, commonly used by power transistors, SCRs and other high-power semiconductor devices. TO3 packages are designed to accommodate large heat sinks to increase their power handling capability. A TO3 package has two protruding terminals, one for the base and the other for the emitter, with the collector using the TO3's body itself as its terminal for direct thermal conduction to the heat sink. The package outline of the TO3 are given in the table shown. Advantages of the TO3 package include excellent power handling capability, high durability, ease of mounting, and hermetic sealing that protects the chip from environmental factors. Disadvantages of the TO3 package include its relatively higher cost and larger size than other packages. The TO5 is made primarily of metal, with the microchip mounted on the die pad of its metal header, and then sealed with a metal cap by high current welding. The TO5 looks like a TO52 but it is bigger in size. Most TO5 packages come with 3 terminals, since the TO5 is commonly used in 3-terminal devices such as transistors. However, TO5 packages with more terminals is also quite common and used for operational amplifiers. The TO8 package is noticeably larger than the more common TO5 package. It is commonly used in housing transistors and integrated circuits with low pin counts such as sensors and transducers. The typical TO8 metal can package has a base diameter of 15.24 mm, a cap diameter of 14 mm, and a cap height of 7.1 mm. The leads are arranged on a circle with pitch of 2.5 mm. Some dimensions may change as per package pin count. Package details are given in the table. Most TO8 packages have pin counts that range from 2 to 16 pins. The TO92 is a small type of plastic molded package commonly used for housing discrete devices such as transistors and thyristors, as well as ICs with low lead counts such as voltage regulators. The TO92 has a flat front face that is marked with the device name or number, while its back is semicircular in shape. The typical distance between leads of the TO92 is 1.27 mm. The main advantage is its low manufacturing cost and its small size. TO92 is not designed to dissipate much heat and cannot be used on devices that have high power consumption. The TO218 is a plastic molded package that features a flat metal tab at its back to enable it to dissipate relatively large amounts of heat. The TO218 is commonly used for housing power transistors. It can be screwed onto a larger heatsink if higher power handling capability is required. A typical TO218 package has 2 to 5 leads. The lead pitch of a TO218 package varies, depending on the number of leads. The TO220 is the most common type of through-hole transistor packages. It features a flat metal tab at its back, usually to dissipate relatively large amounts of heat. The TO220 is commonly used for housing transistors, thyristor and ICs. A typical TO220 package has 2 to 7 leads, although 3 leads are most common because this package is primarily used on 3-terminal devices such as transistors. The typical lead pitch of a TO220 package is 2.54 mm. The TO264 is a type of plastic molded package that is used primarily for high-power applications, where heat dissipation cannot be handled by common packages like TO220 and TO218. The TO264 body is designed for easy attachment to an external heat sink so that it can be operated with higher current capacity. The lead count of a typical TO264 package ranges from 2 to 5. The typical lead pitch of a 3-lead package is about 5.45 mm. Complete dimensional detail are referred in the table. All these types of TO packages discussed, not only applies to transistors, but in most cases also applies to MOSFETs, SCRs, thyristors, regulators and IGBTs. I hope you enjoyed learning.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.